Hello guys, welcome back to Funny Brown Travelers. This is your host Manit. Labas visiems, mano vardas Manitas ir. So today I'm going to make a special sauce and a special dish from India, which is very famous in all over the India, and the dish name is momos. Guys, yes, I'm going to make today momos, and I will show you step by step everything. And right now I am going to make the sauce for the momos, and sauce is very interesting because it goes with everything. You can use it with spernale, like chicken wings. You can use it in grilled sandwiches and whatever you want. This sauce goes perfectly with everything. It's a little bit of spicy, but if you don't like spicy, you can add sugar in that, so no problem for that. And let's go and see whatever things we need for the sauce. Vlogging is not as easy as you think, because while making our things for chutney, while cutting the things for chutney, I cut my finger, and you can see this finger already cut it, and it's just starting. So vlogging is not an easy what you think, like it's, oh my god, just go in front of camera and speak blah 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 blah, but we have to do much things behind the scenes. So I just want to show you, this is also a victory sign, but I want to show you my finger, it's cut. So guys, the things which we need for the sauce is, as you can see in the video, it's red tomato, chili, the red onions and garlic. And we have to boil this red tomato and chili together. It's good to use dried chili because in Lithuania it's a little bit difficult to find dried chili, so I'm using the fresh chili, and I will show you the next steps. Let's follow it. So guys, as I tell you, we need tomato, red chilies, onion and chasnakinis. Sorry, I will be saying little bit Lithuanian language also. And chasnakinis is garlic, pomidores is tomato, red paprika is chili, and sogune is onion. So I will do tomato, I will cut them in this 4 parts so that it's easy to boil and you can take out the skin easily. So the first step, the very important step, is to cut pomidores like this, and we have to boil it with the chilies. Okay, so guys, as I said, we need to boil the tomatoes and red chilies. It's good to cut the red chilies little by little so that the flavor comes out very nicely and the color of the sauce comes out very nicely. So we are boiling chili and pomidores at the one stove, and on the other stove we have to take one pan, and we have on the other pan we will put some butter, and we will caramelize onions and little bit of chasnakinis. Chasnakinis, again I will say, is garlic, and chasnakinis it's in Lithuanian. So I just put it the small cutted onions and garlic with some butter, and you don't have to much caramelize this, just little bit fry it, and so that it can it don't give little bit like a taste when raw taste. So it's good to little bit cook it, and on the other pan I am cooking chili and tomatoes over there. I said we don't have to make it more caramelized, just little bit cooked so it doesn't give raw taste of onion and garlic. So we will be doing little bit sorted thing. Take a pan with butter and a little bit sorted, and on the other side of our stove we are boiling tomatoes and chili, and it's good to have different type of spices like salt. You don't need like much type of spices. I will tell you the basic: salt, cumin powder, and in Lithuania it's cumin. If you have cumin, if you like to eat cumin also, you can that also. And you need to have garam masala. Garam masala is a blend of different spices, so you can check it online, or I will give the description below that garam masala. And that's it. If coriander, coriander is also a very important thing while making sauce. So keep in mind coriander, onion, garlic, chili and pomidor. So guys, now almost the tomatoes and chilies are boiled, almost like 99% completed. And in this paste of onion and garlic I added some spices which I'm gonna show you. This is all my spices zone. And so for this I used curry powder, coriander powder, the garam masala, to give it some tanginess is pomegranate powder and chunky chaat masala. So most of these spices like this spices I get from India, and if you want these spices, you can just comment down to my video and I will try to order for you as well. And the main ingredients also like salt, cumin and cardamom. This gives a nice flavor to the sauce, so these spices are a little bit very important for this sauce. After I boiled it, I taken out all the water, and in jar something like this, if you don't have a jar something like this, you can use something else in which you can drain the water out. And now I will take the skin of tomato outside, and after that the next step I will show you guys. I have taken all the skin out, so it's look like this. So now I will put all this in the blender. I have a bottle blender, so I will blend this all, and after that we need to cook it little bit with all the spices and the onions which we cooked. So let's blend. As I said I have mixed all these. This one is the all spices and with the onions, and this one is chili and tomato skin taken out. So I will blend them and little bit cook them again on the pan, and the sauce will be ready after this. So let's go for it and make our sauce ready. Guys, after you blend the sauce, it will look like this color, and we didn't finished it. The last and the final step of making this sauce is just in a pan for like all about 2-3 minutes. You have to just little bit cook it again so that all the raw flavor go and it is perfectly cooked and it's ready to eat. So I'm gonna show you the last step, and after that in the next video I'm gonna show you how to make momos. Sauce is ready, so I'm gonna give you the close look up of the sauce in the pan. So let's see the sauce. Come on guys.
And where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere.
So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe it. Please share this video so that all your family members and all the members who are not usually eating Indian foods or some spices, sauces, they can try and taste it, and I will tell you the best sauce. Okay, share and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching the Funny Brown Travelers. See you in the next video.